Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to change the app language on Deepseek on any Android smartphone. To do that, just go to the Play Store and make sure that you have installed Deepseek on your smartphone. Now from here search Deepseek. Now tap on Deepseek. Now from here, as you can see, I have Deepseek already installed on my smartphone. If you have not installed it on your smartphone, just tap on install. Now when the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open to open the app. Now from here, tap on the two lines at the upper left corner on your display. Now from here, tap on your account icon. From here, tap on language. Now from here, you can choose any language you want. For an example, we will choose this one. Hit done. Now, as you can see, we have successfully changed the language on Deepseek. To change it back to English, just tap on the two lines. From here, tap on your account icon. From here, tap on the language and choose English. From here, tap on done. Now, as you can see, this is how you can change the app language on Deepseek on any Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.